Hello, welcome to Miss Trunchbull's kitchen. Today we're going to make Miss Trunchbull's chocolate cake. But first, I've got a cup of tea.
You don't need one.
You don't? I don't need. Okay, apparently I don't need a cup of tea today. But wait, who are you? List of ingredients. Who's this?
What's my name again?
Are you Bruce?
No, I'm...
Oh.
I shouldn't really be in here. I should probably be eating, but it's not eating time. So, and I snuck out of my classroom.
But you'll be chucked in the chokey.
She said, if I help make the cake, I will not go in the chokey.
Okay, so today I have some help from Bruce. Right.
Cocoa powder.
Yes, cocoa powder.
Flour, eggs, butter. I do whisk.
Right, ingredients. You need 100, for the main cake, 160 millilitres of boiling water. You need some instant espresso, which I've got 1.5 teaspoons. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We need 70 grams of sweet chocolate, which is a bit cheating. We've got some chocolate chips. 160 grams of flour.
Butter.
260 grams of granulated sugar. Yes, butter. 50 grams of cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Bicarbonate of soda, I've got the wrong thing. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 eggs, and I've bought a spare just in case. 160 millilitres of buttermilk, which I have I've had to make because Tesco's had none. And all I did with that is put 200 odd ml in the pot with some vinegar. 90 grams of, you put the butter away, 90 grams of butter.
There's nothing in here.
Right, so for the chocolate ganache you need 225 millilitres, oh no, hang on a minute, 200 millilitres of whipping cream. Well, that is 200 millilitres, isn't it? 300. That has 225 grams of chocolate in it. Was that butter? And for the buttercream, we need 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of powdered sugar, I haven't got the top off, and 100 grams of chocolate, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Okay, first step, we need to preheat the oven. Step 1, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. Line your cake tin with parchment paper, and then with that.
I hope you always watching this.
Yeah, because I'll get in trouble as well.
No, but I would. For eating her chocolate chips. Sing along with me, my friends. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Hey! Stay.
Right, we ready for the first step?
Yeah. Oops.
Right, we have the chocolate chips, so 70 grams of a mixture of chocolate chips. The espresso powder, which is a teaspoon and a half, and we've got the boiling water. Be careful, be careful. Oh, you're not going to watch us mix this in. The camera can't see it mixing now. I'm pretty sure you shouldn't be eating that much chocolate.
It's fine. This is time for one for me chunky. You said if I can help. Can I help?
Not if you eat all the chocolate.
That's fine.
Right, so we need to melt the chocolate in there.
Are we making tea?
No, at the moment we are making a chocolatey coffee.
Yeah, it smells like coffee.
Should I take over as well? Right, does that look like it's melted everything? It's no good adding more now. Right, so we need to set this aside to cool. Right, so in a bowl we need to put the flour, the sugar. We're not going to have any chocolate left the way rate you're going. Cocoa powder. Oh God.
Whoops.
Right, okay, now we need to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, a teaspoon of baking powder. We're not going to have any chocolate left.
Strawberries are 3 more packets.
Right, now we need to add the buttermilk.
Do we need some butter in the buttermilk?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
So we need 90.
90. When the butter's in?
We need to melt the butter.
Oh. In the milk.
Yep.
You need to melt it in the milk, then what we'll do?
Okay, so 90 grams of butter. We're going to microwave this until it combines. Right, need to put 2 eggs in.
It's all for a good mix. Break the yolk. Look at the yolk.
Oh, sorry, I didn't.
Catch the yolk.
Right, give it a good mix.
I'm trying to catch the yolk. The yolk is extremely like a liquid. Oh, so let's turn the yolk into a liquid.
Right, so now we need to add the dry ingredients, the other chocolate mixture as well.
Now let's make a smiley face. Then a dot. Then another dot. And smile. Then smile. Then smile. Then dot, dot.
So this is either going to go very bad or...
Very good.
Yes, right, so we need to divide this into 2.
Well, Mrs. Trunchbull's cake has 3 layers. So how are we going to make it into 3 layers?
We're cheating, we're doing 2. We now need to put these in the oven. Okay, we'll get in the perfect position in a moment. So the whipping cream. So 225 grams of chocolate chips go in there with
Has it done
200.
fast mode?
No, 200 millilitres of that. That needs to go in the microwave until it's melted and boiled.
Seriously?
Right, go slowly.
Glorious. Terrific fabulous.
Oh. Yep, did you want to do that?
Oh yeah.
So we add vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We've got to put the rest of the sugar in.
Nothing. Welcome. It's been so smoky in there. Let me do that. Don't leave the chocolate. Looks like it's lovely. Eat those. Oh, children.
Right, so the cakes have now come out of the oven, and they seem to be sinking, but they are lovely and moist. So we now need to wait for these to cool down, these to cool down, and these to cool down.
The cake is ready.
Yes.
Wait, how would it have enough icing to add it on there?
This right. So that will go over the top, and this will go on here.
I just. It's solid! It's so solid!
Well, that's gone well. That's supposed to be the buttercream.
Buttercream.
Okay, we're now going to ice the cake.
Icing! Oh, I think it's easier to do that.
Yep. Hello! Oh,
Hey.
we're not. Wait, we're putting the cream in the middle of the cake. Hello! Okay. What are you doing? Oh, God.
Oh, God.
What have you got there?
What have you got there?
We don't want to be sort of upset on the video, do we? Okay.
I didn't mean that, I meant love.
So,
You can have a little nibble of this one.
take one of the bottom bits. You're not supposed to nick the top bit. Right, okay. Right, so this bit goes on here. Hello!
The icing!
Hang on, I'm standing. Why are you trying to open this cupboard?
The icing!
Okay, right.
Ooh, that's so runny.
Yeah,
Right?
it is right.
I don't care if it drips down.
It's supposed to drip down. Okay. Oh, hang on, stop. Oh no, oh no. Ah. You okay?
Panic! Die! We're all gonna drown! Well, seriously, we're all gonna drown.
Oh God.
My mum is gonna kill you. Right?
Yes, she is. It'd be well. That's fine as long as it sets. Well, you've already tasted it. What did you think of the cake?
Good. And here's marshmallow.
What do I want marshmallow for? Yo.
Ah.
So give that a go yourself, and don't ruin the icing like I did. Oh dear. After a hectic cooking session and making an absolute mess of the kitchen, Miss Trunchbull was not happy. Yes, the cake came out lovely and gooey. It's very difficult to handle. Yes, but obviously, as you saw, my topping. I'm not actually sure if I put. I'll have to check in the video, but I'm not sure if I put the ganache and the buttercream the wrong way round, which is very possible. I got very confused. But yes, it does taste really good. I would say for personal preference, I would halve the amount of salt in there. You can taste hints of it, but otherwise, give that a go. Create absolute mess and mayhem in Miss Trunchbull's kitchen yourself, and don't tell her as me. Okay, goodbye.